I'm kind of back, trying to deal with my thumb, and I got one hand in here. Oh man, I miss y'all. I gotta have some toast. I haven't had any toast and avocado in weeks. Between not being able to get out because my truck's broke down and just everything else. Chaos on the farm. So I thought I'd make some avocado toast and share it with y'all this morning. I hope you all are doing good. Looks in the rain here. So good morning. I hope that everybody's having an awesome day. No stress and no drama. God, I haven't had this in so long. So, for those of y'all who don't know, I cut part of the tip of my finger almost off, and then part of the nail. I ended up with 4 stitches. It's been about 2 weeks since I did it. Trying to do hurricane cleanup. About 4 days I feel my back out really bad. So I've been dealing with that. Can't text good. I miss y'all out there. I haven't missed your videos. I haven't watched your videos or read comments or anything. Depression sucks, but I'm dealing with it. Trying to deal with it. Anyway, it does not look good. Fixing to get the yolk. Oh, there it goes. Of course, I never think about a napkin until I'm eating messy stuff. Oh man, look, if you could see how orange that is. That's all natural. Bug-eating egg. Chicken egg. And since I need to work from here on the farm, and I had an easy time getting a job between back pain and everything else. Man, it's really good. Poor Freddy, she wants for a piece. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Not having to use thumb sauce. There's a little piece, girl. I'll get her a piece of bread in a little while. She'll love that. So I really missed everybody. Been thinking about y'all. The only mukbangers I've been watching has been Honey Girl. Honey Eats. Honey Eats? She has a nice little show. She puts out some videos pretty often. That's why I want to take my mind off everything. Watch her eat some good noodles. She likes to eat. That girl can put away some food. Check out Honey Eats. So Eatith Munchies sent you. She always has some real good stories. Anyway. This is so good. So you're looking good. So, in trying to get my place cleaned up, it's been a lot of work, a lot of branches, a lot of wood, some burning. Today it's raining. My phone's dying. Really good. There's been a lot going on here on the farm. I helped somebody. It was a friend. Had a drug problem. I didn't realize the drug problem was as bad as it was. I know people that are on drugs can't get off of them. Really need some professional help. Some people you can't help. Anyway, let's go. I need a paper towel. Better paper towel than this one would be nice, but it will do. So anyway, I was working on the cyber chicken project and cutting the bucket after a hurricane. They're not laying eggs anymore right now. They weren't laying eggs a lot, but at least I was getting a couple a day. Right now I get one every here and there. So anyway, I was trying to cut a bucket to make a nest because some of the nests got ruined with all the rain. And I gotta get a napkin. I'll be right back. I gotta go blow my nose. This is just terrible. I don't want to do this.